Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. This is a first for Lark's Workshop. We're doing a Q&A session. Unfortunately, I can't do any live streaming or anything like that because the internet is horrific here. So basically I've just taken old school, some questions that you've asked me on Facebook and on the comments on YouTube, written them down because also I don't get a signal here, and I'll answer your questions. And if you would like to help the channel grow, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So we're here in the LT, which is lovely and comfortable. I do apologise, it just started chucking it down with rain. It's coming and going, so it might affect the sound a little bit. But anyway, I'll start with the first question, which actually you've had multiple questions of this, and it is, which is a good one. How much have I made from YouTube? Well, I can answer that very quickly. And it's very easy sums to do, but just thinking on the back of that, I've done around about 90 videos and I've been doing it, what do I write down, 15 months approximately at this point in time, and we've got, I think it's 780 subscribers. Thank you all to you who subscribed, thank you very much, it's much appreciated. And I have earned exactly 0. Yes, I know. Yeah, but that's not what we do it for, is it? We do it for the love of it, and I enjoy doing it, and I love it when people come back to me saying, "Well, thanks for doing it. You know, I had exactly the same. I'd done it and it worked, and that's brilliant. I love it." And it is quite funny when people go, "You shouldn't be doing it like that," and well, quite possibly I shouldn't be, but normally I get it done, you know, so, you know, roll with it. Next question I got is, what cameras do I use? Well, actually, I've got a GoPro 7, or GoPro Hero 7 Black, GoPro 7 Hero Black. I've got a GoPro 7 Hero Black. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, that's what I do everything on. When I started off, we had a Sony HD camera, which I used to use, you know, when the kids were young, before we started using camera phones. But yeah, that was a little sort of Sony thing, and it was really hard to get to download because it was, I don't know, it wouldn't download cleanly, if that makes sense. I had to convert the video files. So then I got this one Christmas, and that's what I've used ever since. Next question. Where do I work and what do I do for a job? Well, I work at a power station. What do I do for a job? That's a difficult one, that. I suppose the most basic way of saying it is I tell people how to fix things, I guess. Yeah, and I've worked at the same place for many, well, I say many years. I did my apprenticeship there. So I started off as a mechanical apprentice, and I've just been there all the time and worked my way through, really. The next one I got, how old am I? That's a bit personal, isn't it, Jenny? Yeah, I'm 49. That's it, 50 next year, the big 50 next year. And next one from Jenny again. Why am I always wearing the same clothes? Well, the shirts, t-shirts are all work shirts. This is one I actually found in the upstairs in the workshop once we'd moved. It was in a box. It's a bit small, but it's old clothes. I don't like buying new clothes for rolling around on the floor, really. The only thing I do buy is my trousers, which are got knee pads in because I've got old knees because I'm 49 years old. So I get trousers, they're only cheap ones from Screwfix, and I put padding in the knees. That's why. And also, if I'm wearing the same stuff, because I often video over many days, because you know, after work and stuff like that, and weekends, and almost continuity. I don't know, quite a few of them. Quite a few videos. I say quite a few. Some of the videos I snap from one shot to another, and I've got different length hair, you know, and it's bushy, and but that's, I mean, it's old clothes. It's nothing special, really. Next question. I get asked this by many people outside of YouTube and Instagram, and it's, how many cars do I actually have? Well, in the family, there's 4 of us in the family. Got 11 cars and 2 motorbikes. And you want me to name them? Right, starting this one. LT, Vivaro, T3, Honda, Closed Corsa, Tom's Daewoo, my Daily, the Golf, Golf Estate. We've got the Fastback, the Beetle, the Mini, and the TT. That's 11. Yes, because the Suzuki's gone. 2 motorbikes, got the Buell XB9, and the little CZ175, which was my late uncle's. Next up, why have I got so much stuff? Now, I'm presuming not just meaning cars, you mean in stuff, like stuff filling up everything. Well, I've been at this for a long time, so I've been playing with cars. It's not my job, and doing DIY and stuff since I was 16. Well, since before that, really. I started with little remote control cars. Obviously bikes because we had to get around, but yeah, I've got so much stuff because I've got some room now. I mean, I think this is the 4th house that me and my wife have had. 4th, 1, 2, 3. Yep, this is the 4th house we've had. So we haven't moved a lot, and we've built up. I've built up a lot of stuff through the years. You know, I've been doing it a long time, so that's why. And tools, again, I built it up through the years. Some of my tools are very old, but they still work. So yeah, and now I've got space for it. I'm tending to keep stuff, and I keep my eye out on Facebook Marketplace as well for deals. Like the blaster cabinet. I wasn't specifically looking to buy a blaster cabinet at that point in time, but you know, it came up and I had it, and it's a corker. It really is good. Same with many things, really. You know, the tire changer. That's I didn't look out for that. It came up on Marketplace, local, because I don't want to travel, and I thought, yep, I'll go for that. So yeah, keep your eye out. Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of numpties on there. There's a lot of people who don't respond to your messages and stuff, but you know, there's some deals to be had on there, but you know, quite often be quick. Next question, where do I live? Well, I live in Taunton in Somerset, which is in the southwest of the UK, the United Kingdom, and it rains a lot, so but it is nice here. It's pretty laid back. We're in, you know, it's the town is relatively small. It's not a built up area. And there's not a lot of tourism here, really, so we don't get an influx of going up and down of people between winter and summer. And I've lived here all my life. I've never moved out of Taunton as such, you know, I've always stayed around Taunton. So yeah, we love it here. Cracking question. Last but not least, did we drink all of that cider? No, we didn't. We've quite recently we chucked a little bit away because it tasted horrible. I mean, Tom, he liked some of it. We've still got some. He's going to sort through. I think we've got 75 litres of it left. So we chose the best of it. Me, Mandy and Tom had a bit of a tasting session, and we scored them 1 to 5 to see which ones to keep. And a few of them scored 1 or 0. So yeah, but no, we didn't drink all the cider. It was a bit of a failure, really. But hey, I think Tom's having a go this year. He's going to do something different. I don't know if he'll be videoing it or not, or will be videoing it or not, I don't know. But yeah, he's thinking of using the different yeasts, and we left it too long. We were really busy. We crushed it and put it in the containers and just left it too long, I think. So I think the yeast sort of tainted the taste of the cider. But yeah, I do like a drop of cider. Only a little drop, but no, I couldn't drink it. It's horrible. Well, that's it. That's just a few questions from yourselves. Thank you very much for them. They're, like I said earlier, they're from YouTube and from Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, check us out on Larks_workshop. And I always do that wrong, I think. Is that wrong? Is it that way? It doesn't matter, it's there. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Oh, and don't forget, always wait to the end of the videos because I sometimes put some bloopers in. There should be some on this one because I've made a right hash of some of the questions anyway, or some of the answers. So yeah, hope to see you next time. Cheers then. And consider help the channels grow. No, that's rubbish. And consider I got a call all the day, aren't I?